Plant FAQs. Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla. Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla, a collector's dream air plant. I'm Furvu, and like many of you, I'm captivated by the beauty and unique needs of air plants. Tillandsias, in particular, hold a special place in my collection. In the Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla, or Tillandsia Eric Knobloch as it's often called, is a true gem. This stunning hybrid combines the best features of its parent plants, Tillandsia Brachycaulos and Tillandsia Streptophylla, creating a visually striking and easy-to-care-for air plant. Today, I'll answer some of the most common questions about this captivating Tillandsia and explore how it compares to its parent species. See more 690 species in genus Tillandsia, air plants at monsteraholic.com. This is a captivating hybrid air plant, first cultivated in the 1960s. It inherits characteristics from both its Tillandsia Brachycaulos and Tillandsia Streptophylla parents. What does Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla look like? Imagine a plant with a slightly bulbous base, reminiscent of Tillandsia Streptophylla. From this base emerge soft, velvety leaves that gracefully curve inwards, giving the plant a captivating, whimsical look. These leaves, influenced by Tillandsia Brachycaulos, are typically wider and longer than those of Tillandsia Streptophylla, but not as dramatically curled. The beauty doesn't stop there. When Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla reaches maturity, it produces a stunning red or pink inflorescence, the stalk that holds its flowers. This vibrant display adds another layer of visual interest to the plant. The flowers themselves boast beautiful purple tubular petals, making it a true showstopper. How does Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla compare to Tillandsia Brachycaulos? Both Tillandsia Brachycaulos and its hybrid offspring are air plants with a preference for bright, indirect sunlight. However, there are some key differences. Size. Tillandsia Brachycaulos is generally smaller, reaching around 4 to 6 inches in height. Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla can grow taller, reaching 5 to 8 inches or even exceeding that with extended leaves. Leaf shape. Tillandsia Brachycaulos has straighter, narrower leaves compared to the wider, more curving leaves of Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla. Flowers. Tillandsia Brachycaulos produces a yellow inflorescence with yellow flowers. Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla boasts a vibrant red or pink inflorescence with contrasting purple flowers. Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla compare versus Tillandsia Streptophylla. Tillandsia Streptophylla is known for its dramatic, tightly curled leaves. Here's a breakdown of the key differences. Leaf curl. Tillandsia Streptophylla features tightly curled leaves, giving it a more compact, almost ball-like appearance. Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla has wider leaves with a graceful inward curve, offering a more open and airy look. Flowering. Tillandsia Streptophylla produces a yellow inflorescence with yellow flowers. Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla displays a red or pink inflorescence with contrasting purple flowers. How to care for Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla. The beauty of Tillandsias is their relatively low-maintenance nature. Here's what you need to know to keep your Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla thriving. Light. Provide bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun that can scorch the leaves. Watering. Unlike traditional potted plants, Tillandsias absorb moisture through their leaves. Soak your Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla for 30 to 45 minutes once a week, allowing it to dry completely between soakings. Good air circulation is crucial to prevent rot. Temperature. Aim for temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 29 degrees Celsius. Fertilizing. A light misting with a diluted air plant fertilizer once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, is beneficial. Where to buy Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla? Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla, due to its popularity, can be found at many online retailers specializing in air plant stores. Local nurseries and botanical gardens might also carry it. In conclusion, Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla is a captivating air plant that combines the best features of its parents. With its unique appearance, vibrant blooms, and relatively easy care requirements, it's a perfect choice for both seasoned air plant enthusiasts and curious beginners. Whether displayed on its own in a terrarium or incorporated into a stunning air plant arrangement, Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla is sure to add a touch of whimsy and botanical wonder to your space. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this Tillandsia also boasts air-purifying properties, helping to remove common household toxins from your indoor environment. So, If you're looking for a low-maintenance conversation starter that brings both beauty and function to your home, Tillandsia Brachycaulos x Streptophylla might just be your perfect match.